Okay, I gotta show you guys this crazy fun way to make a coming soon for your listing, and it takes maybe 5 minutes. So we're going to start in Canva on a new Instagram Square photo project. I'm going to add in some text and type in coming soon. Change that font to a nice thick bold one, you'll see why soon, and I'll readjust some spacing to make sure I like it, maybe change the color and add in my logo, of course. Here's a big tip. You're going to want to make sure that your coming soon text is a different color than your logo. It doesn't matter what color it actually is. So once we've downloaded that project from Canva, we'll head on over to this website. It's totally free and you don't even need an account. Click on Open from Computer to upload what we just created. Click on Select at the top of your screen, then click on the color range in the drop-down menu. From here, all you need to do is click on one of the letters in the coming soon text you have there, click on OK on the pop-up, and press Delete on your computer. Go up to the top and download this as a PNG file now. And here's the last part, so bear with me. Go back over to Canva and we're going to create a new Instagram Square photo project. Add in your new listing photo and set it as the background. Now upload what we just downloaded from that other website and add it to the project. Drag the corner so it covers up the whole project, and there. You now have an awesome coming soon that keeps the mystery going in today's fast-paced market.